Hello again. So we are starting a new notebook, concerning lists and dictionaries. Um, these are data types which will expand our knowledge of things which contain elements through which we can go through. We will combine this with for loops. We will learn how to organize our data in a very convenient way with dictionaries. Basically, what you have to know about lists and dictionaries on a high level. Lists are a set of elements which are organized in order. So we have a first element, second element, third element. They are used for various reasons. We will see examples of that in a minute. We will start with lists. Dictionaries are things where you have key value pairs. You don't have to think, and you even shouldn't think about dictionaries as sets organized in order, but rather as key value pairs where for each key value for each key you have a value element, and then you can search this dictionary by key, kind of the same as normal dictionary works, where you have a dictionary, and if you want to check something, you first search through the word you are looking for, and then to this word there is a value assigned. In case of normal dictionaries, this is definition or translation. Um, in our case, it can be anything, so it's a generalization of this concept, but since the behavior is similar, the name stayed the same. So yeah, in the next video we'll have a look at lists, how we create them, how we can modify them and use them in general, and then in the next videos we will start considering dictionaries. So thank you for your attention and see you in the next videos.